Welcome to my channel. My name is Romar Bhatt, and today in this video I'm going to show you another AI tool that is incredibly professional tool and can build apps and sites with AI. So in this video we will see that how we can make a website, using Replit.com. So you can open the URL. You can see you can start with an idea including landing pages, AI app, dashboard, e-commerce, portfolio, interactive experience. So there are a lot of things you can do. So you build smarter and ship faster. So here you can do like you can type here, design me a website for my institute name, but IT solutions that offers various courses, online courses, including web development, graphic design, video editing, and digital media marketing. So just click here. You can copy the prompt because you need to create an account before. So you can continue with email. So you can type here your email, and here you can type the password, create account, and it will send an email of verification. So verify your email to start building. So here you need to verify it. So once you verify the email, and the window will close and this will refresh, and the prompt that we typed, it will start working from there. You can see the prompt is there and it is starting working. See, working. So the AI tool is now working and preview will be available soon. So you can press publish to push your app or website online. So here it is working. It is, considering the layout, design, each and everything according to the prompt that we, typed in the prompt box. It is now planning the initial setup, like 12 seconds it's now, and working. So now you can see like it is generating 5 images, like modern digital learning environment, abstract web development code on screen, graphic design, creative workspace, video editing, timeline interface, and digital marketing analytics dashboard. So according to the prompt, according to the courses or services or whatever, like portfolios if you mention, so according to that it will generate images and the content. You can also like type your contact details in the prompt, and as much as details you can give, you should give in the prompt. Otherwise some things will be demo, like contact details. So later on you can change by typing here. Just make targeting changes. Just type like change the phone number to this, change the email address to this, so it will change. So preview will be available soon, as it is creating like home, contact, and other all files, hero file, courses file. It is ready. Magic has been done. You can see, but IT solutions master the digital future with expert skills. You can see here expert instructors, modern layout, choose your career path like full stack web development, graphic design, video editing, digital media marketing, courses details there. Each and everything is there. And it is now debugging navbar structure and other things are just, and it is finalizing it. So it is edited now, like components including navbar, footer, and now it is restarting the application and everything. Now it is checking console and system log. So if there is any issue, it will fix it. But now everything has been done. Update website with new design and course information. So you can see, and if you want, like you can see, you can publish it from here. Publish, like this is a publish. You can also see the sizes, different screen size, like iPhones this size, another mobile responsiveness you can see of your website. So you can publish it. So 100% job ready. You can see now it is publishing. So after publishing, it will give you a unique URL of replit.com, and later on you can also like attach domain with your website. See how easy it is now to generate a website, to build a website using Replit AI tool. You can see, congrats on publishing your app for a limited time. You get a free domain when you upgrade. So if you upgrade, you will also see, you will also get like a free domain. Anyways, this link now is here. And here is our website ready. So we can use this URL, the free URL, or we can upgrade and we can use, custom domain as well. So this is incredible, amazing thing. And we have now learned at how to build a website using replit.com AI tool. And thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.